Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in the main menu, press Options or Menu to open settings immediately. Once there, go to Controller Settings and pick Custom Controls so you can modify inputs directly. You need to choose an existing profile to edit or clone it to keep a backup, because changes are permanent unless saved under a new profile. Make sure your controller is connected and calibrated. If not, reconnect now. This first step gets you into the control mapping interface, ready for detailed changes. Now you remap individual actions. Highlight a move like pass, sprint, or skill move, then press the physical button or stick direction you want to assign. Remember, advanced options let you set hold versus tap behaviors or double tap requirements, and you can assign modifier combos for layered controls. Once done with a few mappings, jump into practice mode to test responsiveness. This helps confirm latency and ergonomics. If something feels awkward, undo the last change and try an alternate button placement. Finish by saving your layout. I recommend using a new profile name so you keep the default as fallback. Once saved, play several matches and make fine adjustments to analog stick sensitivity or dead zones to match your play style. These settings affect aim and dribbling precision. If controls behave incorrectly, first reload the saved profile, then try resetting controller config. If problems continue, check controller firmware and Bluetooth or cable connection. Often a firmware update or repairing fixes erratic inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.